Some of God's greatest moves begin on the most ordinary days. No warning, no sign, just a quiet moment, and suddenly His presence breaks into your routine. When God steps in, everything shifts. The battles you fought alone, He sees them all, and He meets you right where you are. God doesn't just show up, He restores, renews, and redirects. Your ordinary becomes holy. Your weakness becomes strength. Your story becomes a testimony. God often works in ways you don't notice at first. A small shift, a quiet miracle, a gentle reminder that He's closer than you think. When God steps into your ordinary, He doesn't leave things the same. He opens new paths, new strength, new purpose, and He walks every step with you. Follow Testament Talk for more devotionals that speak to your journey.